third half the planet.
A small price to pay for salvation.
You're insane.
Little one, it's a simple calculus. This universe is finite, its resources finite. If life is left unchecked, life will cease to exist. It needs credit.
You don't know that!
Разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота.